Hi, this is Josh Richardson. I'm going to go over our cost structure and our revenue streams. Our cost structure, as you can see, is going to be a normal cost structure. We'll have an organization, we'll have a staff, and we'll deliver our content to the target market. Also, along with our costs, we're obviously going to have operating costs, which include an office, computer systems, direct labor staff. We'll have a staff that creates the presentations, speakers, and etc. We'll have product costs, we'll have marketing costs, and also we'll have travel costs, depending on where our presentations are. We plan on going all over, obviously local at first, and then hopefully branching out from there. Our revenue streams we can look at. We have 3 different target markets: business presentations, university presentations, and public school presentations. Business presentations we're going to charge the most for, $5,000 for the initial one-time presentation, $3,000 for each additional presentation, and then a $1,000 monthly consultation fee for ongoing support. As we look down, university presentations, $3,000 for initial one-time presentation, $1,500 for each additional, and $500 for a monthly consultation fee. In public schools, we feel like this is very important for us to get out, so we're going to charge them $2,000 for initial one-time presentations, $1,000 for each after that, and then a $500 monthly consultation fee. We also plan on making sure that we do fundraising to help with the schools, and anything we can do to help people that need to get some help and some treatments. So thank you for your time.